Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Travis with Surf Park Central. We're here at the Dallas Developers Tour, and we're doing some interviews. So first, if you want to say your name and who you work for.
John Turner, and I work for AssetGuard Products.
Okay, awesome, John. And how's the event going for you?
It's been amazing. It's our first time participating with Surf Park Summit, and we came out to introduce some of our liner technology that fits into lagoon space and surf park space, and it's been very educational and very fun and a lot of good networking.
Awesome, yeah. What did you think some of the main takeaways are of the event, or what kind of did you come in with some expectations, and then were those met?
Yeah, I think our expectations were really just to get our brand out, see if there's interest in the market for it. We got to meet with a lot of interesting people in the industry. There was a lot of interest in what we were offering. It was really great seeing the CityWave developments that they talked about. It was great seeing the founder and creator of CityWave actually present on that technology, and then getting to go see the new Good Surf Park and see it operational. So really cool technologies. Interesting seeing the standing wave versus some of the traveling wave technologies that we talked about, and seeing how maybe our teams can play into that. So,
Yeah, and what do you think your product would work best in, or kind of both? And is that the goal to kind of just start getting into more bottoms of surf pools?
absolutely, yeah. So our products work for concrete-based pools as well as earthen-based pools. So I think more in the traveling wave, where you have larger lagoon space, where you're looking for a liner system that's going to be robust and last a long time. But also some of our technology works in retrofitting. So if you have aging concrete, if you have damaged concrete that's been rubblized over years of use, then we can come in and retrofit that. We can either do a liner over it, or we can just resurface and put some of our polyurea technology on it to extend the life and do some safety factor aspects to it as well.
Yeah, and if you want to just do a quick rundown elevator pitch of what the product is too, how it works.
So basically our technology, we've been around 20 years. We've been using a polyurea technology. You can think of it as kind of like an ultra hard truck bed liner, ultra tough, right? Very tear resistant, very puncture resistant. We can use that as a direct spray, so we can spray it onto concrete, onto walls, we can spray it onto metal, many different substrates. It works very well. And we also have a liner system that we manufacture in-house, where we're using that same technology, but we're putting it on rolls. So it rolls out like carpet over earthen or over concrete, and we seam it together on site. So you have an impenetrable waterproof membrane that's going to last you decades for your asset. We've been doing this product for about 12 years, the liner system. We have about 41 million square feet of it installed throughout the U.S. in industrial, commercial, and oil and gas applications, all for environmental protection or asset protection. So yeah, definitely a good fit for the technology in the market.
Awesome, and you feel like you made some good connections at today's event?
Absolutely, yeah. We got to talk to a lot of new people. We actually ran into some of our clients here, which is pretty cool and unexpected. But we also talked to architecture firms, engineering firms, some of the wave tech guys. All of them have different aspects of what they like about our technology and what they'd be interested in talking to us further about. So I think, yeah, it was very positive.
Great, and where do you see the future of your product with surf parks? And where do you think, do you prefer the standing waves, or do you kind of prefer the bigger lagoons, or just both are great? And do you surf any of them as well?
Okay, yeah, that's a good question. Well, I'll start with the end. So I grew up skateboarding because I live in Houston, so I didn't surf. But yeah, I don't surf. I only surfed once. But I like both technologies. I think it's cool. I think obviously the standing wave as a surfer, as a beginner, is probably easier, but the traveling wave seems really cool. You can get a lot of reps in, which you can't get in the ocean, right? So both of them have their unique aspects. I think they're both really fun. From a technology standpoint, and as it relates to our business, I think that the larger lagoons probably would need our liner system more than the standing wave. Like wave, CityWave, they kind of already have their built-in design. But with the development and the developers that are working to build these facilities like Good Surf, where they have restaurants, they have commercial infrastructure there, then obviously there's technology that we have that can play into that development. So,
well, thanks. I appreciate your time. Where can people find out more about AssetGuard?
Oh, sure. Just AssetGuardProducts.com is our website. And my email is just john.turner@AssetGuardProducts.com, which is kind of long. But yeah, they can definitely reach out if they want to know more information. We're happy to talk to anybody, and we can come out and do site visits. So
Awesome. Thanks, John. Appreciate it.
absolutely. Thanks for having me.